Welcome to my study today. Neither nor. Do you notice in grammar books how you see neither nor, either or together? And when you've read the explanation, you can't understand it because it's too confusing. So let's separate them. Let's look at neither nor. Neither nor? Neither nor? Ooh, which one is it? Well, I don't think English people know either. Either. Ooh, very difficult, isn't it? Well, we'll look at that. And at the end of the video, there's 2 exercises for you to practice. We use neither for talking about one or two people or things, generally the same type of thing. And we mean not one and not the other, like this. I bought 2 knives, but neither cuts very well. And here you can see it's a pronoun. I bought 2 knives, but 2 knives didn't cut very well. So neither is standing as a pronoun here. Neither knife cuts very well. Here it's a determiner. That's a word like the, your or my. Neither knife cuts very well. Here are some more examples of very general terms for neither. Dogs can't fly, neither can cats. You notice that they are 2 similar things. Dogs and cats are both animals. It would be rather strange to say dogs can't fly, neither can chairs, wouldn't it? Potatoes won't grow here, neither will roses. They're both plants, aren't they? We can use neither with a singular noun. Neither car is exactly what I want, but you have to pay attention to the verb here. Would you say it was singular or would you say it was plural? Well, it's singular, isn't it? So neither car is exactly what I want requires a singular verb. When we want a plural noun, it's slightly different. We have to introduce of. Neither of the policemen saw me. And we also have to introduce a determiner. I can't say neither of policemen saw me. I need a determiner. That's a word like the, my or those. Neither of the policemen saw me. Neither can sometimes refer to 2 negatives and mean both not. Now that sounds rather strange, but look at this example. Neither of them was given a prize by their teacher. And I've obeyed the singular verb rule because I'm really saying not one, not the other was given. But you'll find that most English speakers will break this rule. Neither of them were given a prize by their teacher. I think it's because we're thinking of 2 things, 2 negatives, so we use a plural verb. Neither nor mean not this and not that. And they are conjunctions which lead to a negative idea. Look at this example. Neither Bob nor his brother was able to pay for a meal. And what have I done here? Yes, I've obeyed the single verb rule. But here's an example where I can break the rule. Neither Germaine nor Shearer are very tidy. It's because I'm thinking of them as 2 negatives together. So I use a plural verb. English people will do this and it's very common. Neither nor are very useful for additions to a remark, meaning also not. Now I better explain that. Let's take this example. John doesn't or can't sing karaoke very well. Now I can't reply to that in English, I also can't, or I can't too. Well, I can hear you saying, just a minute, you could say I can't either. Yes, that's true, but I'm trying to avoid mixing up either and neither, so we'll look at either in a separate video. The reply we would use, which is very useful, is neither do I or neither can I. We could also substitute nor. Nor do I, nor can I. But the important thing to notice here is that we have inverted the subject and the verb. Nor do I, nor can I. I has gone to the end of the sentence. Now here's a very useful little phrase for a tag to one of these replies like this. John can't sing karaoke very well. Me neither. You have to put a bit of emotion into this one. Me neither. Very useful and very common in English. Neither and nor are very useful connectors for introducing a second negative, especially when you're making a written argument in one of your answers to your questions. Look at this example. John never helped his new boss. There's the first negative, never. Neither nor, we could use either, did he advise him wisely. And watch out for the inversion. Let's summarise what we know about neither, and we'll try to say it. Neither can be used with a singular noun and a singular verb, as you can see in the table. Neither with zero means we just simply say, for example, neither boy, neither car. We go straight to the noun, and we can use singular or plural verb. Neither of requires slightly different grammar, and if you look through the table, you'll understand how to use it. Now, how do we say it? Well, I keep changing, I know I do, and I either say neither, which is number 1, shown in the phonetics, neither, or number 2, neither. If I say neither, the E is quite long. Don't shorten it. Neither. I would call both of these really standard Southern British pronunciation. There is an American influence in there, but we're left with it, and I keep changing when I speak, as you probably notice. Neither, neither. It's your choice. If you've enjoyed my lesson today, could I please ask you to subscribe below and ring that bell? Thanks. By the way, if you'd like some more help with your grammar, I'll put a link to an interesting website below. Now here's a couple of exercises for you to practice. Next time we shall have a look at either and or, very similar to neither nor, but positive rather than negative. So thanks for watching, please subscribe below, and remember to look out for the link below to the new website. Thanks.